Welcome back to another video. Today we got Harbor Freight coupons, nothing but free, and 99 cents, 20% off coupons at the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Feel free to take a screenshot or a picture on the computer or on the phone. Use these coupons and these coupons codes. Show them at the register, or tell the register, the employee, the coupon code. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the coupons. I'll put some music on so it's not as boring. Thank you for watching.